welcome to Sana 24 into 7 YouTube channel. As Dev Adhikari starts a fresh over from the pavilion end, as we see that Dev is a great all-rounder like Saurabh Ganguly and Steve Waugh. He is a batsman all-rounder and off-spinner. Yes, he has a good relation with the opponents also. The captain Manoj Khanna gives him the ball. He has too much confidence in him, and Dev Adhikari watches the ball as the wind is blowing, so he watches the flight of the ball. He is an intelligent bowler, watches his batsman, the position, right arm off-spinner bowler Dev Adhikari. Small run-up, short run-up. He goes and away from the wicket he bowls, but outside the off stump.